Good morning. Welcome to another one. Before we actually get sunk in on what's happening next, let's go and have a little look about and talk to people, shall we? Hello, Mr. Mullet.
Morning, people.
Um,
I'm just fitting a cam belt this morning. What I'm doing, I'm just killing another van this morning.
This is not the yellow van.
Oh, the other one that used to have a pop top.
Yeah, that's not the yellow pop-top van. This is another yellow van. As you can see, Day's already had his wicked way with it. This did turn up because of snapped cam belty stuff.
We need to clear some room up and get rid of some junk here. And we need some parts. This will come. Turbo swap, gearbox,
Cam belt.
cam belt.
So we have a parts van. Other than that, how's things?
Not bad at all.
Did you have a good weekend?
Flew by again, didn't I? Obviously we did a bit of motorhome stuff.
Did a bit of buying.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, John's
Had his wicked way.
John's gone and done stuff and bought things. Which you will see. Not yet.
What was next on now, Ram?
There you go.
But I'd like it done this year at least.
Anyway, that's enough of John. Well, a nice little time in the old motorhome, which we'll see shortly.
Yeah, it don't look like a hell of a lot, but it's another step forward. Because we only got 3 weeks
Till what?
till it turns up.
Is it? So yeah, we literally got 20 days.
Yeah.
As of this film being recorded, anyway.
Yeah, so at the minute I'm just stuck bits in there still.
Wow, by fixing this, do you mean unfixing this?
I said bits in there.
Ah. Well, we'll leave Mr. Yanni to do
Sod.
That's not the language you wanted to use. Well, we'll leave Mr. Yanni to unfix this van. I have a new van, which we'll see shortly. And we have this, which is his cow. But bought a car cover just to protect the front. And this is what he got up to. Now the bed, I don't know if I've actually recorded any of the bed, but he's actually got the floor done and put the framing all the way across it, which is coming across lovely. Like Yanni said, his old man will be here. He knows what he's doing, so he will be here to help with this shortly. 20 days time. And
Good morning, T4 lovers.
how are we?
Good. Another day, another project.
Did I film this last time?
I don't
Think so.
think so.
Oh yeah, I did. Literally managed
Yeah,
to.
you went through. Yeah.
Yeah, so I did.
That was the first day.
Yeah,
Well, Thursday,
Wednesday.
but that was Wednesday.
yeah.
No Thursday. The first day.
The first day,
Yeah.
yeah, because this only come in for just the sill,
So, on
and
both
then it
sides.
turned out the arch was also, yeah.
Yeah, we had the sill, corner, inner sill, inner arch, sorry, arch, and the same on the other side.
So a little bit more, but that side is now, that's done, isn't it?
Yeah.
I haven't been here for a few days, so that's why I'm,
Yeah, obviously you
Unsure.
end up same on this side, the corner and the arch and the inner sill was not cut. Actually, I gotta go more there because deeper I was just.
not B-pillar. We'll leave Namo to do that, and we'll give him a camera.
Yeah.
So that is everybody caught up. The cow is coming along. My job, I now have this to do. As you've seen on the last one, I had that 1.9 with a massive hole in the engine. Well, that's done. Well, this is our van. We got this. And it is, unfortunately, somewhat broken. As you'll see in a minute, you can put a spanner on the crank and turn it, and it goes a little bit one way and a little bit the other way. So we're not entirely sure how it's broken, but that's where I come in. I'm going to make it good again. It's actually quite a nice van. 2.5 aircon. She's got some what looks like homemade cabinets, but they don't look that bad. 3/4 rock and roll. Oh, roof lining looks really nice. But the job is pull this thing apart, get access to bits, find out why it's not vanning. Oh, look at all those aircon pipes. Right, let's get this thing on the ramp properly. Get this thing up, pull the front apart. We can dig into this thing proper job. So, time lapse time. Well, hopefully the time lapse has caught something. Managed to, you can't see this. Pull the top off, the cam wasn't snapped. So started pulling it apart. There's a few more bits and bobs I need to get done. And then the head can come off. But, just down here having a look, taking all the cam belt and whatnot off. And there is loads of this, and hopefully this camera will show it a bit. There is 0 teeth. You can just about see a few by here actually. You can probably see it better by there actually. You might be able to see, but yeah. So that is a problem. At least we found it out. So pull the tensioner, pull the belt, a few more bits and bobs, and that shall be out. Also, Mr. Yanni has moved the van and also cut more of van off. So yeah, Mr. Yanni's been nice and busy with that. Take the engine out, and she's eye on, done. Well, I'm going to carry on cracking on with this. I'll probably put you on a bit of time lapse of what Mr. Namo's been up to while I strip this down a bit more. So enjoy that.
Meanwhile,
well, I have absolutely no idea how much I actually filmed. Move that out of the way, because I did have a time lapse on and then just sort of left it. But as you can see, the head is removed. Ignore that, I just need to replace that pipe. And we discovered the problem is the water pump is seized. So yeah, at least we figured that problem out. Oh, another head gasket to go with a collection. I wonder if I still actually got the belt kicking around. There you go. Literally no teeth on it the whole way around. Obviously where the water pump is got stuck, it's just stripped all the teeth. So that's not so bad. So the old head is actually just by there, completely stripped. Turbo, exhaust manifold, inlet manifold, and a nice new shiny head. Look at that. Shiny. So, I'm going to give these few bits a quick clean and start getting it all put back together again. I've already got the gaskets on. I'm just going to start rebuilding all that lot back up again. Ready to go back in there. So yeah, that's going well. Not that I picked the camera up at all, but John's dad's been down and done a bit more framing. Coming along nicely. Oh, you've probably seen. Daddy's got a new van on. You have definitely seen this one before. Sill and arch. It's had the wings done, I think both sides. Yeah, sill, arch, and it's now, obviously he's had a new door as well. It's now having rear arches, which is going to be a shame, because all this artwork is going to be gone. But, needs must, unfortunately. So that's Mr. Namo's job. Mr. Yanni did some work on that one earlier. Top and bottom ball joints. Anything else on that one? The white one? Ah, CV gator, there we go. Hi Yanni.
This one's just pre-MOT now, and some new brakes. These are actually the guy at the side. He's actually got a bit of padding on the other side, on a metal inside. Yeah, I've got bottom ball joint on the side, 2 gators. Service.
And she can also go for hem or tea. So he's done that side, he's currently on this side. I thought now I should really pick this up and sort of show you what is happening. So I'm going to start rebuilding all this lot. I won't film any of it because it's literally tighten the bolts up, which are all in that tray by there. So I'm going to go across, get all this lot all put back together. Right, I'm going to put this down. When this lot gets all rebuilt, I'll pick you guys back up again. Well, there you go. Head is now completely on. And I've just finished doing the tightening sequence. Wanted to get that done before going home, just so that tomorrow I can just basically play the game and put everything back together again. Still have to do the oil feed and drain and every pipe I've undone. But back together. Pleased with that. And there we go. The water pump I said that was the problem. There you go. There he goes, locked up now. So yeah, that was the culprit. Like I said, I'm really hoping that that actually filmed everything. Well, it says it's recording, so fingers crossed. We're gonna get wrapped up. Everything's in. And the doors are all down. We're gonna get ourselves ready, get ourselves off, and I'll crack on with this tomorrow. So, see you in the morning. And welcome to the next morning. So, as you've seen last night, this thing finally got torqued down and put in. I just put in the water housing. I'm now gonna put the injectors in, put a diesel pump back on, start putting like the oil drain and oil feed on the turbo and connecting the water pipes and whatnot. I probably won't record too much because there's not really a lot you're gonna see. I mean, I probably could set up a time lapse and have a little bit of a watch you see, but I'm literally playing put things back together again. That's the plan anyway. Couple hours, get this lot built back up again, make it a bit more completed. Good plan, Batman. I'm gonna get my head down, get this thing done. Well, that didn't quite go to plan. I've actually reviewed the footage. I did have a camera up there, and I didn't press record. Just check the footage, and there is none to check. But what you have missed, the cam belt is now all on. Water pumps on, pulleys on. Now is time to do t'other side, which needs to be done. This is looking a lot more put together. Anywho, belt time. There we go. Happy days. So as you've just seen, she is just fired back into life. Now admittedly there is oil in a few places, but I haven't actually put everything on, so I still need to, so that's not too much of an issue. But happy with that. She's all running again and back to life. And found out she's central locking. All the electric mirrors work. Just need to put this thing all back together again. Renew all the vac pipes. Put the last few bits and bobs on. Cool beans. Right, I'm gonna put this down. Build this thing back up a teeny bit more. Pick you guys up when this thing's a bit more completed. Well, I do feel like I should do an actual ending to this. Kind of haven't up to now. But look at this. All back together again. And like connect that back up. Happy days. All transparency, I did actually finish this yesterday. A few little more bits and bobs that need to be bits and bobs, but nothing that it needs to be on the ramp for. As you can see, front end's all back together again. Everything's all bolted on and where it needs to be. Do need to put that cover back on. So yeah, I kind of thought an ending would be a good idea. And yeah, my next project is already underway. So I'm going to put this down, get set onto that. I will see you in the next video. But hopefully you enjoyed. If you did, please give us a massive thumbs up because it massively helps. But as always, thank you very much for watching. Thank you for putting up with our dumbass, and as always, take it easy.